got some cardboard to lay in the crawl space, so I can maneuver around a little bit easier. Have I ever done this before? No. I wonder what you're doing on the ice. What are you doing on the ice? What if an animal's under here? I'm gonna need some light. It's a mess under here. So, I got these wires from Amazon, and I'm going to use them to hang up what's hanging down. These are long wires. They're insulation wires. I didn't know they existed, but now I'm glad to know. I think this might fit. I think these are 16s. We'll see. I'm gonna give it a go. Up there, over here. You're supposed to just be able to pop it in there. Well, it held it up. My sister-in-law and the furnace guy came out and they suggested these wires. So I'm gonna go with the wires. Oh, bathtub plumbing. That's another day. I'll put some more cardboard. Ouch! Yeah. It's a mess down here, but it's dry. Very good. I'm gonna get that hung up and that pulled down. So, there's a big strip, and there's some. Okay. No, I don't think I need to watch a video. I got the wires, got the insulation. I just got to do it. Wire, sag, shove it all up in there.